everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be learning some music video choreography from Bye 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 by NSYNC. So if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so the choreography that I'm going to be teaching you guys today is a little bit before the chorus, and then I will get to the chorus part and teach all of that. So I just wanted to quickly say what I'll be teaching, and another thing I want to add is that I notice when they're doing the dance, they have this constant bounce like this throughout the entire dance. Whatever they're doing, they're bouncing. So you want to try to do that when you're doing the dance and just have that in your mind to constantly bounce, because that's what they're doing. So here we go. Let's get right into it. So you're going to step one foot out to the side, and like I just said, they're bouncing, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to do two bounces. Bounce, bounce, together, and then other side. Bounce, bounce, together, other side. Bounce, bounce, together, stepping forward, touch. Let's try it again. Ready, and bounce, bounce, together. Bounce, bounce, together. Bounce, bounce, together, stepping forward, touch. And when you bring that foot in, your arm is going to come up just like this. Hand is flat, and you're going to have it come up just like this. So, taking it from the top, ready, and a bounce, and two, and three, stepping forward, arm up. So you're here now. You're going to kick with the leg, that your same side that you're using your hand. You're going to kick it out to the side, and your foot is going to be flexed. So you're not pointing your toe, you're flexing it. And you're going to kick. And as you do that, you're going to bring your arm out, and then you're going to bring it in front. So it looks like this. So we're here, and you kick, bring it in front. Try it again. Ready, and kick in front. One more time. Ready, and kick in front. And you're looking like this. It almost looks like a ballet position, but we're here, and your hands are going to go by your hips, and then you're going to move your shoulders. So you're going to move one shoulder up, 2, 3, 4. So you do it 4 times. One shoulder, the other shoulder, the other shoulder, the other shoulder. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and sharp. Ready, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. So going from where we just stepped forward, touch, kick, bring it in front, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole thing from the top. Here we go. Ready, and a bounce. 2, and 3. Bring it forward, touch, kick, in front, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here, you're going to bring your arms, you're going to use 2 fingers, and go out, in, out. So you go out to the side, out in front, out to the side. So it's out, in, out. So when you bring your hands out, you can bring your knees out as well. Out, in, out. So try it again. Ready, and out, in, out. Again, ready, and out, in, out. And then, so after you do the out, in, out, you're just going to go 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to push your fingers out, 2, 3. And that's where it says bye, bye, bye. So again, bye, bye, bye. And then we get into the chorus part. So let's take the whole thing from the top, and then we will work on that chorus. Here we go. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, bring it forward, step, kick, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, out, bye, bye, bye. Okay, so we have made it to the iconic bye, bye, bye chorus part. So I'm going to show you guys the footwork. So you're going to do step, together, out, in, out, touch. Let's try that again. Ready, and step, together, out, in, out, touch. Try it again. Ready, and step, together, out, in, out, touch. And as you can see, I'm kind of leaning my body forward as I do the step, together, out, in, out, touch. So do that as well. Arms stay down, loose and relaxed. Try it again. Ready, and step, together, out, in, out, touch. You're going to repeat that, but this time you're going to use your arm, and it's like you're banging on the door. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands in a fist. I'll show you the footwork. You do step, together, out, in, out. So you leave your legs apart. So when you repeat that. So going from the repeated section, we do step, together, out, in, out. Whole thing with the footwork. We won't use any arms, and then the next time we do it, we'll add in the arm. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, first 4, arms are down, and then you bring up the arm for the next one. So let's try it. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next part, you are going to reach over, imagine you're grabbing something, and when you pull it back, you're going to tilt your head and then lift it up. So tilt the head, lift it up. So we grab it and tilt up. And then you're going to switch your hands, grab, tilt up. So when you pull that arm back, that's when you're going to tilt your head up. Grab it, pull it back, tilt your head up. So grab, tilt up, grab, tilt up. So again, ready, and grab, tilt up, grab, tilt up. One more time, ready, and grab, tilt up, grab, tilt up. Let's take it from the top of the chorus part. Ready, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Grab, tilt up, grab, tilt up. So after the grab, tilt up, you're going to move your body to the side, and you're going to use 2 fingers, and you're going to go forward, 2, 3. So you're going to do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And like I said at the beginning of the video, remember that there's a constant bounce throughout this entire video, so you want to bounce here. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to bring yourself back to center, legs apart, and you're going to go bye, bye, bye. So bringing your hand across as you do the 3, bye, bye, bye. So taking it from grab, tilt up, ready, and grab, tilt up, 1, 2, 3, bye, bye, bye. And again, keep that bounce for the bye, bye, bye. Taking it from the top of the chorus. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab, tilt up, 1, 2, 3, bye, bye, bye. Let's take it from the very top, and then we'll add more on. Very, very top. Ready, and a 1, 2, and 3. Bring it forward, step, kick, in front, shoulder, 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 out, in, out, bye, bye, bye. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab, tilt up, 1, 2, 3, bye, bye, bye. Okay, next part, you are going to bring one hand up, and you're going to move your hand in a circle. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. So it's fast. 1, 2, 3. So as you do that, you're going to move to the side, and you're going to do like jumps. You're going to do 3 jumps, 2 mini jumps, and then 1 big jump. So your feet, your knees are going to be out to the side. So you're going to do jump, jump, jump. So without the arm movement, I'm just going to show you guys the footwork. It's mini jump, jump. And you want to like plant and then pull yourself up. So 2 mini jumps and then bring yourself up. So it's like going down, up. So adding that in with the swinging of the arm, you go 1, 2, 3. So after you do the 3 jumps, you do the 1, 2, 3. You're going to bounce for 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm kind of bringing my chest in as I do it. Bounce, and you bounce. 1, 2, 3. Leaving your arms down. You do those 3 bounces, bringing the chest in. 1, 2, 3. Adding in the bounce. 1, 2, 3. So let's go from the jumps. We just did the bye, bye, bye. Ready, and a bounce. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Good, and then you're going to take it on the other side using your other hand, swinging it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Again, it's fast. Do 2 mini jumps and then a big jump. Keeping the knees out. We go 1, 2, 3. So that last jump is a big jump. Adding in with the arm. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. And you bring that arm down on the last jump, and then we do those 3 little mini bounces. 1, 2, 3. Bringing the chest in. 1, 2, 3. So taking it from the bye, bye, bye with the bounce. Bye, bye, bye. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to do it one more time. Again. 1, 2, 3. Keeping those knees out. We bounce. 1, 2, 3. So you do that 3 times. Take it to one side, take it to the other side, and then you take it to the other side. So taking it from that bye, bye, bye again. Ready, and bye, bye, bye. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now you're going to jump. Do a nice big jump, taking it to the other side. Jump, and 2 fingers. You're going to go forward. 1, 2, 3, adding in that bounce. 1, 2, 3. And then bring it to center. Bye, bye, bye. So it's repeated. So we just finished the last bounce. The last jump. Jump, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Center, bye, bye, bye. So let's take it from the very top of the chorus. Here we go. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Grab, tilt up. Grab, tilt up. 1, 2, 3. Bye, bye, bye. And 1, 2, 3. Bounce. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bounce. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Bounce. 1, 2, 3. Move to the side. 1, 2, 3. Bye, bye, bye. So we finish off with the bye, bye, bye. From here, last part, you're going to do step, together, step, together, step, together, step, together. So you do 4 step togethers, and then bring your feet apart. And as you bring your feet apart, you're going to pose. So one hand, Justin Timberlake has one hand out and the other hand back. So that's what I'm going to do, but if you want to switch up the pose, you do that. So taking it from where we just finished the bye, bye, bye. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. And as you do that, as you're doing the step together, kind of move your shoulders with it. So step together, 2, 3, 4, and out. So nice and fierce, big jump, out. And that is how we would end it off. So that is the chorus choreography, and also a little bit before the chorus. So what I'll do is we're going to run it a couple times. So first time, give it your all. Second time, give it your all as well. We're going to give it our all each time. Here we go. Ready, and a bounce. 2, and 3. Going forward, step, kick, out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, out. Bye, bye, bye. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab, tilt up. Grab, tilt up. 1, 2, 3. Bye, bye, bye. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hit. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bye, bye, bye. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. Okay, this is the last time I'm going to run it, but this time I am not saying anything. So we are going to do it without me saying anything. No talking. And if you want to see it with music, make sure to check out that link below. Here we go. Ready, and. Everybody, if you guys want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!